Welcome to the Entrepreneurs Lounge podcast, brought to you by the Money Club Associates, where we talk about business, the ups and downs of the entrepreneur, the mindset, the people, the tools, and making sure the business is doing what it needs to do so we can get to that level we need to get to. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Entrepreneur's Life podcast. And this is our newest episode, guys. I know I've been missing in action when it comes to the podcast action, but 2023 is going to be a new year, and I'm getting started early because we're going to be pumping out more episodes than we were before. Okay, guys, what I got for you guys today, we're going to talk about the cap on social media and entrepreneurship with the floss, and is it ethical or is it not? So this is the thing, guys. I mean, a lot of people are using attraction marketing to do a lot of different things, and that's to pull in more business and new customers, because people like fancy things and they like fancy cars and fancy clothes and stuff along that line. So this is the thing. So is that really ethical? Because there's, as being in the network marketing space I've been in for the last, I would say, 7 to 10 years, and I've made some money, but I've always gotten to a level where that it seems like I get to that one level and I can't get any further. And then like everyone else, I want to exceed and hit above, and hit the 6-figure level. But I've gotten halfway, and I'll be honest with you. I've gotten halfway. I haven't gotten, that far, but I'm trying to get it on a consistent basis, okay? So within saying that, when you see people posting, Lamborghinis and, fancy house, fancy trips, fancy this and fancy that, is that, people think that you could just do that coming in the door, and that's not realistic. So the realistic part of it is that people, it takes time. And it takes some people longer than others. Some people can get it real good, and they learn it real good and they got it. Some people can. And sometimes it takes some people, they have a wider learning curve than the rest of everyone else. Which was mine. I was brand new to it. So you really don't get anybody to show you anything. So you got to learn it all on your own. So what you have to do is just start looking and start internet searching and start Googling and start looking at different things that you could do. So when I started building my platforms, one thing that I know that held me back was the consistency. I wasn't able to be consistent. So, because you have to, when you get into these network marketing programs, you have to work. You got to make time for the business. And then the thing is that understanding and getting the balance of time and learning what works for you and what does not work for you. So it took me a couple of years to even do that. So, because when you're learning time management, and if you're from, I would say, an urban area, or in my demographic of people, and being in different things, no one teaches you time management. So the thing is learning time management is one of the keys. And I'm still learning as we do today. I am today. I'm a lot better than I was 5 years ago, but I'm still learning it. So, and that's the thing. So you have to learn how to manage your time and get it correctly, and make sure that you're spending time doing the right thing that works. Because see, when you're creating content to get people to engage, That's a big thing. So that takes up a lot of time. So you have to post, put your post together, and make sure you, like I like to say, post with a purpose. And then you got to get your post together and make sure that you're posting at the correct times and whatever social media that you're using. A lot of people use more than one. Back in the day, when Facebook was really letting people see your stuff, like now it's so censored. And I tell anybody, I mean, if you got a good engagement on Facebook, I'm not talking to you. But like right now, Facebook is really on garbage. To be honest with you, it's really on garbage because they don't let you see. They don't give you no organic reach anymore. That's why TikTok is so popular right now. Okay, but I ain't gonna get off into that. But just getting your stuff off, getting your content together, it takes time. It takes time to perfect, to see what people like, to see what people don't like, and then, making it look as professional as possible. That was my key, to make sure everything was looking professional and everything was looking good. So the thing is that like when you have people who make things look good and they go out their way to make things look good and spending a little money renting these things, because a lot of people rent this stuff. I'm gonna just be real upfront and honest with you guys. A lot of these people do not own these cars, they don't own these houses, and they be flexing real hard on these trips when they be doing them because it's a way to flex with it. So, but the thing is that like what I don't like is like the level of honesty. There's no honesty. Because like the thing is that they want, they want to make it look like they're this and make it like that, because that's what everybody on social media want to do. But no one's being real. But then, a lot of people are afraid to be real because it's easy to get canceled these days. And the thing is that what category do you really want to stand in? Me personally, as you see the Money Club and the Entrepreneur Gear Life, I'm going to stand on real, and I'm going to be realistic because I'm a realistic person. And I tell people up jump when they look into the opportunity that I provide, which is my econ, which is a great opportunity, which gives you discounts on travel and teaches you financial education from a basic standpoint, as single income family homes and different things of that nature. And the thing is that like this program was great because it helped me get my credit to another level that I never thought of, because I didn't have anyone teach me. So they have a self credit repair system that has 12 modules that shows you how to do it in your own. Anyone interested in that, because I got to throw the plug out there, man, just feel free to email me, DM me, comment on the bottom. Okay? So these opportunities that I provide, they're realistic, and then they can help people at the base of where they're at. A lot of people don't know a lot about credit. A lot of people don't know a lot about budgeting, adjusting your W-4s when you have them. So your W-4s with your job, because a lot of people are letting the government take a lot more money out than they should. So my econ shows you how to adjust your W-4 so you can get more money out. So like one thing I liked about my econ from the beginning was that it wasn't a lot of, it wasn't a lot of cap. It was just like people was more realistic. I was in a company called Motor Club of America. Well, still a part of Motor Club of America. But as you can see, they recently are back up and running because they were down for a little while. But, we had a lot of people that was with Motor Club America that did a lot of unethical things. And if you were in Motor Club America, you know who I'm talking about. And it's just a group of people that made it look like it was so fancy and they was doing this and doing that. And a lot of those people was not helping other people get and make the money, where that's where the money is, in the team building. So that's one of the great things about my econ, that you don't have to do a team build if you don't want to, but you can make more money if you do. And it's more ethical in what you're doing because you can make that money to build. Or you could just sell singular products from here and there. And that's what I'm going to start doing, guys. I'm going to start building a team. And I want to build a team of people who want to go out and help people get more financially educated and live better lives on a day-to-day basis. Because, guys, even if you're working a job, we can make this replace your job, and we can make this work alongside your job. And that's what it's all about, being able to work smarter and not harder, especially in the economic times that we're in now. Some people are talking about recession and different things of that nature. And you guys, you really got to look into a lot of different things and look at that we're in a different time where paper money is losing value. So you have to learn, you have to get ready to get prepared, because in a couple of years, it's going to be real different. And you can see it coming. Okay? So the thing is that, like, you see these people that's using this money, and it's just a morally balance to it. Like, if you get in contact with some of these people that you see flashing these money, Lamborghinis and different things like that, and living this lifestyle and showing this lifestyle living, when you talk to them and they don't be realistic with you from the beginning. And the thing, that's if you can get a chance to talk to them. That's why I make sure I'm accessible. When it comes to me. In any program that I've dibbled and data, I made sure I was accessible. Once I got my 1-800 number, all you have to do is make sure you leave me a message, and I'm getting right back to you at least within a day or two. Okay? But see, and that's the thing, like, a lot of these people don't even get back to you. They make it seem like they're so busy, when if they were really concerned about you making money and building their team, they will understand that the team building is in the legs. So the legs of the team was going to make them the money. Because then you're working as a team, and as they bring in money, and they got people on their team bringing in money, you make more money. So as everybody's helping everybody, everybody's making more money. And that's the thing. And people don't understand, in getting to a level of wealth, you cannot do it by yourself. You have to have a team. You have to have people that you can trust, and people that you can need to learn things from, and people to keep you held accountable. So you can be in a different level that you can get to and change your mindset and how you're doing this. So just think about that, guys, when you're looking at these programs, because these are some good programs that's out here that's making millionaires. And the thing is that if you want to be one of those millionaires, you can be. But the thing is, you're not going to do it by yourself. And you're not going to, and you shouldn't let nobody gas you up because they're driving a fancy ass car. And that's the thing. So guys, just think about that when you think. Don't let those things fool you. See how credible these people are, and see how oppressive, and how do they deal with people. Because see, that'll tell you if they're, if they're really about that life in this network marketing space, and in this online business space, in this content creation space. Okay? So guys, just really think about that, and think about what you want to do when it comes to your brand and what you want to do. Be authentic, and people will see that. Be transparent, and people will see that. And understand that, the more you show that you're a people person, people will see the authenticity in you. You know what I'm saying? If that is in you, and that's what can you do. Okay? So guys, just be authentic, man. Be consistent, and be willing to change your mindset and uplift your mindset and be able to be willing to learn different things, okay? And that's all I got for you guys today, man. I appreciate everyone who listens. I appreciate you guys for following. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at TomSkinner.com. All the links will be in somewhere in this podcast. Where just make sure you go to IamTomSkinner.com and follow me back, and I will follow you. And any questions that you have, feel free to email me, DM me on any other social media sites. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And guys, please hold me to what I said I was going to do in 2023. Because we're going to make this a year when we put out more information about some of these business tools and different things that we have to offer. Because there's a lot of resources out there that a lot of beginning entrepreneurs don't know about. And that's what I'm here to provide, because I want to give you guys some value and make sure that you have the things that you need to be successful, because I wish someone would have did it for me. And my motivation is to see people win that come from the same circumstances I come from. And that's what we about here at the Money Club. So guys, have a great day. I see you guys on the next one. And remember, teach one, earn something, and learn something. Peace.